Hello everyone and welcome to Tutorial with Coach Philip. So in today's edition I'm going to teach you guys how I did this. I went to Pinterest and downloaded this template. Then I added two fonts, Gen Z and Cuts. So let's start. So I increased the size of the Gen Z and also added Cuts. I went to my font and chose this particular font. And after that I gave it a black color. Then I also added stroke to it. So watch carefully. I added stroke to it, by stroke. Then I also imported the shape and added benefits. As I added these fonts, I also imported their benefits, see there. Then as well I also put our services, because I would need to add the things they offer. That was what the client said I should do actually. So I added it. So watch carefully. I added their number. Everything they do. I also added their number and their location. And I swear the time that they open, the time they are available, I added it. So watch carefully. I wrote the days of activities. Days of activities, and copied it. Then exported it on PNG and Ultra. So this is the outcome. So how do you think it looks? Follow PHILO Graphics for more tutorials like this.